2015 bike check. Start off, ODI Softy grips, Odyssey Parens Blue. My grips are fucked up, I know, but basically this is an ODI Softy, and this is an ODI Softy. This is an ODI Softy, obviously, and this is also that. But this is like a piece of an old, just regular ODI grip, because I had to cut this because I put a brake lever there when I put brakes on my bike. The bars are Perfect 10s, S&M Perfect 10 bars. The top cap for the forks isn't Odyssey top cap, I guess. The stem is S&M, or no, sorry, not S&M, Salt Plus. I'm not really sure what it is like specifically, but it's a front load, and I like the color of it. Yeah. The headset is a Resist headset with a gold dust cap, which I think looks cool. The forks are Odyssey Director forks. They're really light, and I really like them. The rim, I do not know what the rim is. It just kind of... Oh wait, no, I do know what the rim is, sorry. Never mind. I'm stupid. Alienation Black Sheep rim. Yeah. It looks pretty cool. The tire, not sure what it is. I know it's Fit. I'm not really sure the specific name, but it's the red and black one that's like new that came out in 2014. I don't know. G-Sport hub guard, because I sometimes put pegs on. The hub is a Eclat hub. I don't know the name. I don't really know a lot of my parts. I just kind of know the name of the company that they're made by. The frame isn't. It's a Sunday Soundwave 2013 edition, I guess. But I got it for shit. I got it for Christmas in 2014, because the bike shop that I got it from, like, they couldn't sell it, so I got it on sale. Frame, so the back, the rim is Alienation plain black rim, just silver. It's got like the chromed thing because the brakes, I had them on before. The tire, same thing in the front. They're both 2.4, by the way. And yeah, red and whatever. They're pretty nice. I like them. They grip really well. Hub, I have no idea. It came with a Norco Aries. If you know what that bike is, it's not really an expensive bike. It's a good bike, but yeah, that came with it. Chain. To be honest with you, I have no idea what the chain is, but it's chrome and it looks cool. So the sprocket is a Sunday Sabertooth sprocket, 28 tooth. That's what. Yep. I like it a lot because it. I don't know. You barely have to pedal and like go fast. Yeah. The cranks also came off of the Norco Aries. So I don't know what it is. I don't know what they are, but they're cranks and they work, I guess. Green Snafu pedals. Yeah, okay, yep. The Primo seat post. Yep. Oh yeah, Sunday, or Odyssey, I think it's Sunday, bottom bracket, but I don't know. Sunday C-clamp. Yep, right. Stranger, Aboriginal seat, I think. I don't really know if there's like a specific name for it. Yeah, so, I think that's it. If you saw my old Sunday Soundwave bike check. If you're wondering or something, these stickers were white. I got sick. I kind of got sick of the white, and I didn't really want it, and so I just kind of got bored one day and kind of colored them all green, and I think they look cool. And I think that turned out really good. Yeah, but so yeah. Thanks for watching.